Good morning, everybody. Anita here. Today, I want to encourage you to think about that you were born for this. You were born for this time in your life. So many people are going around thinking that their lives don't matter, but you are a part of everything that goes on in this universe. God made you. The universe has your back. You are born for this. You are strong enough to get through whatever it is you're facing. If you're wanting to change your life, you are strong enough to do so. You just have to set your mind and your attitude towards it, and you can start attracting the right people, the books, the teachings. Everything that you want in your life is achievable. You were born to thrive. You were born to raise up and not just go to work and come home, pay bills, go to work, come home, pay bills. That's not a life. We're just existing when we're doing that. What is it that calls your soul to be happy? What is it that you've always wanted to do but never thought you could do it? Well, I challenge you today and encourage you to step out and start taking the steps to do it. I have quite a few teachings on how to get started in the law of attraction on my channel here, and just write down your goals. Write down, what would your life be like if you could have the life that you've always dreamed of? You know, when you were born, God put in your soul and your innermost being a dream. And you were born to achieve that dream. You do not have to live a mediocre life. None of us do. We can take our lives and change them on a daily basis and work towards our goals. It is possible and it's achievable. If you're living a really busy life and you've only got a few minutes a day, well, work on it. Work on that. Your few minutes a day, free time, do some subliminals. I've got some free ones here on my channel. You can do some script writing, your affirmations, just something. And more ideas and more ways of learning will come to you. It will be provided to you by the universe. Small steps every day will lead to a big success. Consistency is the key. Be consistent. You don't have to be perfect in anything that you're doing, trying to achieve the life of your dreams. Perfection is not what we're after. It's consistency. And what is in your heart? It must be something that you're heartfelt about. Changing the world or helping people or helping your family. I just got a testimony from one of my Facebook people that all of a sudden, divinely inspired, he's gotten more and more law of attraction people that hire him as a coach and do his business, and they pay even more than he could imagine, and he's been able to pay off his house in 13 months. Now that is awesome. That's an awesome testimony, and I invite you to write your testimonies down below also. I love testimonies, and I hope to gather up lots of testimonies and put them in a book someday. This is so cool because he was just starting out like every one of us do and consistently did his work every day and this is what happened, and it comes suddenly. You won't see it coming. You will keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, and then all of a sudden the doors open up and you're in a different place than you ever thought you would be. But I just want to encourage you today, because so many people are down. You were born to thrive, not just survive. I invite you to imagine a huge life, whatever it is. I don't care what it is. What is your dream? Your dream is important. It's been placed in your spirit, in your soul for a reason. I invite you and encourage you to take some time, think about it, and work on it. And take those baby steps you need to take to start changing it and work towards it. With that, I will leave you, and I say, God bless you. You are deeply loved. You are deeply divinely loved. God, Jesus, the angels. You are so loved, you just don't even have any idea how much you are loved. But you were born for such a time as this. And so, go ahead, dream. Make your life just wonderful, wonderful. And do something every day towards that dream. Well, that's it for today, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. God bless you all. I love you. Bye.